capital. Yung wholesaler, sila po ang nagpapasa sa mga retailer. Tayo bilang consumer, mismong gumagamit ng produkto, we are only able to purchase the products directly from the retailer. But every time a product is purchased, the retailer earns a percentage. The wholesaler earns a percentage. The distributor earns a percentage. Bakit? The reason why they are doing business, negosyante yung mga yan, is because they have a percentage. They have a certain profit. And not only that, ano pa ho ba yung dumadagdag doon sa presyo ng produkto na binibili natin? The advertisement cost. Right? Every time you see a celebrity endorsing a product, they are paid tens of millions of pesos. Who pays for that? It's actually the consumers. Dumadagdag dun sa presyo ng produkto na binibili natin. Did you know that every time you see a 30-second commercial on TV, that's about 400 to 500,000 every 30 seconds. Kung yung produkto na yun, nakita mo ng 10 beses sa buong araw, 5 million na yun. Sa 10 araw, 5 million? 50 million. Sa isang buwan, 150 million. Isang commercial pa lang yun, buti ho kung 10 beses mo lang nakita sa 24 hours. Who pays for that as well? It's actually the consumers. All of that gets added on to the price of the product. With what happened with the prolonged pandemic, nagsara ho yung distributor, nagsara yung mga wholesaler, nagsara yung mga retailer, ang dami pong nawalan ng negosyo. Bakit? Because the manufacturers no longer needed them. Why? All they needed to do was put up a website and consumers can shop directly from where? The manufacturers. They can place an order and the manufacturers would ship the products directly to the consumers. And even the way we advertise products has completely changed. Bakit? Dati nga, puro print ad, magazine. Ngayon ho, ano na ang labanan? Influencer marketing. Companies pay influencers to promote their products, which is all online. Ito ho, ganitong sistema, ngayon pa lang nangyayari. Ngayon pa lang nag-a-adapt yung ibang kumpanya. 4Life is a 26-year-old company. We have been around since 1998. Yung sistema po natin na ganyan, pareho sa i-describe ko, 26 years na po natin na perfect yan. How? Because 4Life is a manufacturer. To the manufacturer, which is 4Life. We are the ones who pack the products, we are the ones who ship the products. But lahat po ng qualified na affiliates na nagrekomenda doon sa consumer na yon also earns a percentage. Yung porsyento na we would pay retailers, wholesaler, distributors, promotions, lahat po yan ang ibinabayad namin sa independent affiliates. Kaya huwag po kayo mabibigla. Later on, we will be introducing to you some of our successful affiliates who have earned 6-figure income, 7-figure income, 8-figure income doing this business. Because this is the way we pay out our affiliates. A lot of people, pag tinanong mo sila, ano ba talagang gusto mo? Gusto ko mag-negosyo. But they never pursue. Hindi nila tinutuloy ang pagnenegosyo. Bakit? Particularly because there are certain things that hold them back, such as capital, such as experience. However, why is it that most people would like to pursue running a business? Definitely, we all know that it is in entrepreneurship, pagnenegosyo, kung saan ho talagang mabilis umaangat yung income. Right? But more importantly than that, we have to understand that regardless if you are making 5,000 pesos a day, 500 pesos a day, 50,000 pesos a day, 500,000 pesos a day, there are only two ways you can generate an income. And that is either you are a linear income earner or a passive income earner. Pag sinabi po nating linear income, very simple. No work, no pay. Very simple. Example, I am the top dentist sa buong Baguio at lahat po kayo pasyente ko. Pero maghapon, ulan ng ulan. Ayaw tumigil. Parang basang-basa na ako dito sa Baguio. Ang damp na nung hangin. Ayaw tumigil. Sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Right? Tumawag ako sa sekretarya, Secretary, I cannot come to the clinic. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. Sabi ng sekretary, okay lang Dok, ako na bahala. Pag sinabi niya bang siya na ang bahala, ibig ba sabihin, yung sekretarya ang magbubunot ng ngipin ng lahat ng nakapila na pasyente? No. Hindi pwede. That day, everyone, all patients, please go home. Doktora cannot come in today, reschedule. May income mo ba yung clinic dahil wala yung magbubunot ng ngipin? Wala. No work? No pay. Even if you have a business, pero yung negosyo mo hindi tatakbo kung wala ka doon, that is linear. No work? No pay. But if you have an established business that is running, that has a system, and you have a lot of people in your organization, is it possible, posible ho ba sa mga negosyante na may marami yung tao na nagpapatakbo ng negosyo nila na magbakasyon sila ng isang buwan, pagbalik nila, nandyan pa rin yung negosyo? Kumita pa rin yung negosyo? Definitely. I mean, SM. Have you ever seen Henry C. visit SM Baguio? I don't know. Kasi wala na siya sa earth eh. Kayo talaga, napaisip ko, yung kailan gusto pumunta, wala na siya. But kahit nung buhay pa siya, nabalitaan niyo ba? Henry C. goes to Baguio. Probably once. I don't know. Right? But the business continues to operate because there are people running the business. Right? Kahit wala siya doon, kumikita. That is what they call passive income. The reason why most people would like to go into business is hindi lang mo dahil sa income, which is very important. Let's all be realistic. Pero hindi naman lahat ng bagay puro income eh. Right? Dahil it is also through running a business that you can truly own your own time. Pwede ka mag-declare na sarili mong holiday. Today, I don't want to go to work. Pwede. Right? I want to go on a 3-month vacation. Pwede. Because the business will continue. Okay? Other benefits of the Core Life program is that it has a very low startup capital. Like what I mentioned earlier, a lot of people want to get started with a business. However, they are afraid na pag naglabas sila ng capital, mawawala. But because the fact of the matter is, most businesses, regardless of your capital, will close down in the first 2 years of operations. Very high risk. But if you have minimal capital or minimal exposure, then there is almost no risk. Bakit no risk? Wala ka namang capital eh. Right? Number 2 is that it is flexible time. We are not asking you to drop everything you are doing. Hindi ko naman sinabi na kalimutan na natin yung ginagawa natin. It's okay. You can do this part-time. Sa simula. If you are a morning person, sa umaga ka may oras, sa umaga mo gawin. 1 hour a day. Pag sa gabi, pang gabi ka, night person ka, sa gabi, 1 hour a day. You have only time in the weekends, that's when you do it. That's how you get started sa simula. Right? So the time is very flexible. Number 3 is that, of course, if you have experience in programs like this, lagi ho yung plus. Sa lahat naman eh. Pag meron tayong gagawing bago, kung may experience ka na, may negosyo ka na dati, mas mabilis. Pero kung wala po kayong experience, okay lang rin po. Because our trainings are completely free. And that is very important. Dito kasi yun ang pinaka-importante. Hindi po importante yung capital. Ang importante po, you want to learn this business. And most people think, bakit kailangan pong matutunan? My mother is here. 10 years ago, my brother decided, Ate, I want to be a pilot. Nung sinabi ho niya, kami nung kapatid ko, kasama yung nanay ko, umiyak kami sa tuwa. Hindi ho, sa takot. Talaga? Bakit yung umiiyak? Ang mahal. Bakit ho? Habang pumapasok siya sa school, siya masaya, kami luhaan. Bakit to? The whole time that he was studying, he was training, meron mo ba siyang kinikita? Wala. The whole time kasi utang niya yun eh. He was paying, nagbabayad siya. Ganun ho kasi, regardless of what course you are going to enter, kailangan mo muna mag-aral, kailangan mo magbayad bago kang magsimula kumita. Ang pagkakaiba ho dito sa For Life, wala pong bayad yung training, may libreng merienda pa. Trainings are free. And the people, your line of sponsorship are more than willing to help you get started. And wala ho rin hong age limit. Okay? As long as you are 18 years old and above. Because one of our top distributors is currently 90 years old and she is top 4. One of our top 12 distributors became top 12 when she was 29 years old. Because usually, pag bagong graduate ka, bata ka, bakit ho bababa ang sweldo? Kasi sasabihin, wala kang experience. Pag naging 40 ka at nawalan ka ng trabaho, ba't nahihirapan na humanap ng trabaho? Kasi pag nag-apply ka naman, sasabihin, masyado kang maraming experience. Mahal na. Right? Dito, walang age limit. As long as you are willing to get started with this program, you can get started. Sabi nung iba naman, I've already heard similar programs in the past. But what is it that differentiates For Life from these other programs? Kasi kung gusto natin ma-maximize yung financial opportunity in this entrepreneurship program, we need to look at 3 very important factors. Yung iba ho kasi, nakita nila yung sistema, ay yung konsepto okay, pero that concept is not enough. There are 3 very important or what we call essential. When we say essential, hindi pwedeng wala na factors in order to boost your chance of being successful in such programs. And the first essential factor is that you need to be able to partner with an expert company. Kung magne-negosyo ka, gusto mo ba yung maging kapartner mo? Tumatawag sa'yo lagi. Gusto mo ba yung maging kapartner mo? Gusto mo ba yung kapartner mo? Walang baon, walang dalang kapital, walang alam sa gagawin, nandun lang siya physically, walang contribution, hindi pwede. If you want to, you are looking for a partner. Si ma'am nakasmile, hindi yung lang sa love life to ha. Pati sa negosyo, kailangan may baon siya. Ano ibig sabihin? The stronger the company, the more stable the company, the bigger the infrastructure, the more contribution they have to your business. And For Life is actually a 26-year-old company. So we have the experience to do this. We started out in Salt Lake City, Utah. Okay, 26 years ago. So it's an American company. Sabi kanina ni Claudia when she introduced me, I have been with For Life for 18 years. And I'm sure everyone is thinking, syempre, lahat ng sasabihin mo tungkol sa For Life maganda. Eh, natural naman ho yun. Lahat ng kumpanya, kung nandoon ka, sasabihin mo puro maganda. Tama mo ba? Para pag tinanong ko kayo, sino po ang pinaka maganda o pogi na bata sa eskwelahan ng anak mo? Sino? Siyempre, anak mo. Ang tawag ko doon, love your own. But what differentiates For Life is that we have won a multitude of awards in the past 26 years. These are from third-party award-giving bodies, not only in the US but also in Europe. These award-giving bodies would evaluate thousands of companies to be able to determine who they think would be the winner. And in 2020, just some of the awards that we have won. In 2020 and 2021, Corporate America Today named For Life as the best health and immune system supplement provider in all of United States. Ano ba nangyayari ng 2020 and 2021? Palampakan naman daw yun. Di ba yun yung kasagsagan ng pandemic? And everyone was talking about the immune system. And this third-party award-giving company evaluated all these companies and determined For Life is the best when it comes to manufacturing health and immune system supplements. And how much money would it take for you to be able to get all the awards to validate your company? Di ba matagal? At magastos? Dito ho, you don't need to do that because once you partner with 4Life, all these awards, the infrastructure, the home office we have in the US becomes part of your business. Not only that, after 26 years, 4Life was able to expand. Our products now flow through 90 different countries and we have offices in 25 different nations. So which makes 4Life a multinational company. Kung ikaw may negosyo ka sa Baguio, gusto mo lang i-expand sa Pangasinan, which is an hour away, hindi mo ba mapapaisip ka ng 100 beses? Bakit? Kasi para mag-expand ka doon, para makapag-market ka ng produkto doon, napakalaking kapital. Sa 4Life, the moment you partner with 4Life, the infrastructure, the operational experience that we have in all these, the licenses we have in all these countries becomes part of your business. You have relatives in Spain, Germany, Korea, Japan, Thailand, sa ba? Colombia, Russia, hindi ko na 25, dami. All you need to do is send them the link. If someone in Spain decides to buy the products, our Spain office will ship the products to the Spain address. And you, in the Philippines, if they're buying for the first time, you will receive your commissions within 2 to 3 business days in your account here in the Philippines. Can you imagine? Parang dyan lang din sa Baguio binili. Okay? And that also allows you to have a business that's operational in over 90 countries, that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Paano nangyari yun? Kasi ngayon ho, alas 6 na dito. Sabi dito, pag alas 6 gabi na sa Baguio, okay, patulog na kayo. Pero maaring meron kayong business partner sa US. Ngayon ho, sa New York is exactly 6 o'clock a.m. Paumaga pa lang sa kanila. And people are starting to do business and starting to purchase products. So even if you are asleep in the Philippines, you can be continuously generating an income anywhere in the world. That only happens because you partnered. You are, as a partner of 4Life, our infrastructure becomes part of your business. Here in the Philippines, of course, we have an office here in Baguio. Bisitahin niyo rin kami sa Manila. We have been at the San Miguel Property Center for the past 17 years, but just last year, we moved our office to the Rockwell Business Center sa Sheridan. So if you have time and you're ever in Manila, please feel free to visit us. Pero meron din po tayong office sa Cebu and sa Davao. We also have what we call the Foundation 4Life, which is the humanitarian arm of 4Life, which was also started 18 years ago. Every single product that is purchased by affiliates and customers around the world, a portion of that gets donated to the underprivileged children in markets where 4Life is operational in. And we are very blessed here in the Philippines because just this year, we were given a grant. Foundation 4Life donated 5 million pesos to Gawad Kalinga to build 20 homes, 20 houses. As our CSR, okay? As our, ano ba yung CSR? Hindi customer service. Yung mga bata, ano yung CSR? Community Corporate Social Responsibility. Very good. Hindi customer service. Yes. Okay. So, yeah. So, it's very important that you partner with an expert company. But not only that, you also need to make sure, if you are going to go into business, magne-negosyo ka, you need to make sure that you have a unique, consumable, and effective product. Bakit po importante yung unique? Maaring nagtayo ka ng negosyo, ganda ng produkto mo. Right? Pero, nung lumaki na yung negosyo mo, may nakakita, uy, ganda ng sales nila. Anong gagawin? Kokopyahin. Mas marami ng 50 milligrams, mas mura ng 50 pesos, Overnight, you built your market share for 10 years. May nagbukas lang ng similar or exactly the same product as you, overnight, nangalahati yung pinagtrabaho mo na isang buong dekada. Because the product is not unique. Here at 4Life, how can we guarantee that our product is unique? We have 82 international patents protecting our products. Hindi lang ho yung patent. Because for you to have a product patented, you need to have an in-house research and development team. Hindi mo kasi pwede ipapatent ang isang produkto na hindi naman ikaw ang nakadiscovery. Right? And so, not only do we have patented products, yung ginagawa din mismo ng transfer factor is very unique. A lot of people say, oh, I have taken a lot of health supplements. True. But if you have not taken transfer factor in the past, you have never experienced the benefits of transfer factor. Why? Because transfer factor is the only supplement in the market today that educates, boosts, and balances the immune system. Kasi hindi naman siya vitamins, hindi siya minerals, hindi siya herbs, hindi siya antioxidant, hindi siya hormone, hindi siya drug. It's actually an immune memory molecule for the immune system. So very unique. But it's not enough that it's unique. Maganda ho kung magne-negosyo tayo, yung produkto natin consumable, nauubos. Bakit? Pag naubos, kailangan ulit ng tao. What do? They buy again. If there is repeat purchase, there is repeat sale, there is repeat commission, there is repeat income. Paano kung yung produkto mo, lifetime warranty? Bumili siya isang beses, forever, hindi na siya bibili ulit. Is that good business? You would always have to look for a new customer, right? But with 4Life, let's say I introduce the product to Miss Jean, and I invest an hour of my life explaining the product to her. And she thinks, sige nga, try ko. Nung tinry niya, maganda yung resulta. Next month, naubos yung transfer factor. Do I need to invest 1 hour of my time to convince her and explain transfer factor again?
No.
All I need to say is, okay po ba? Bili kayo ulit? Yes, repeat sales, repeat purchase, repeat sales. The month after that, do I need to explain?
No.
So, ibig sabihin yung isang oras na ininvest ko sa pag-explain ko sa kanya, possibly you can be earning from that every month after month for not only a year, but even more as long as she's taking the product. Right? Consumable. Pero hindi ko mangyayari yung sinasabi ko kung hindi po effective yung produkto. Right? Wala namang repeat purchase, tinry niya, hindi niya nakita yung resulta, hindi niya gagamitin ulit. How can we guarantee that our products are effective? Because we have clinical studies. When we say transfer factor boost the immune system 437%, hindi po base sa, sir, naramdaman mo ba? Maganda ba? Hindi. Base sa laboratory, based sa mga scientists and doctors who study the product, it boosts the immune system 437%. When we say it activates your immune system within 2 hours, that's based on a clinical study. So my question is, if you are going to get started with a business, how much money would you need to make sure that your products are patented? Isang patent pa lang, international patent, magkano na agad yung gagastusin mo? If you want to substantiate, ibig sabihin to support your claims on the product, how much would it cost for you to have a clinical study done on your product? Dito sa 4Life, you don't need to do that because your partner, which is the company, has already done that for you. Once you become an affiliate of 4Life, the patents, the clinical studies all become part of your business. And not only that, like what we mentioned, the patents, the awards, our products are also listed in the Physician's Desk Reference. Mamaya ho, pwede nyo i-google, PDR, Physician's Desk Reference. Ano ho ba yan? Yan ho yung kodigo or reference ng mga medical practitioners sa Amerika. Kung ano po yung pwede nilang i-prescribe at i-rekomenda na supplements at even pharmaceuticals sa mga pasyente nila. Kasama po, nakalista po dyan yung transfer factor. So you know it's very safe. And you know that it's widely accepted. Not only that, We have our own manufacturing facility. My first slide was that we are a manufacturing company. We manufacture our own products. Automatically, when you become part of 4Life, you partner with 4Life, the manufacturing facility that's the size of an American football field that can house 55,000 spectators. 55,000 na tao. May football field sa gitna. Ganon kalaki yung manufacturing facility natin. Automatically becomes part of your business as well. Right? And like what we mentioned earlier on, it's today is our business class. Aside from our regular business presentation, we have product experience booths outside para matry nyo po yung iba't ibang produkto na meron tayo. Of course, our core products are our main transfer factor products, pero meron din po tayong skincare, meron din po tayong cleansing and detox, meron din po tayo for weight loss, meron din po tayong pampaputi, meron din po tayong pampahaba ng buhok, meron din po tayong para sa mga sikretong ayaw magka-UTI. Napakadami po. Whatever your health concern could be, we have just the right products for you. And later on, you can try them out in our product experience booths. So una ho, partner with an expert company. Pangalawa, make sure that you have a unique, consumable, and effective product. Pero even if you have a great company, even if you have a great product, it is not enough. You need to make sure that you have a proven system that you can plug into. May sistema na yung kumpanya. At yung sistema na yun has produced successful affiliates. Why is that very important? Kasi kung walang sistema, ikaw pa lang ang gagawa ng sistema, maaari hong maraming pagkakamali, marami kang oras na masasayang because you have to experiment, trial and error. But kung meron ng sistema, susundan mo na lang. Hindi ba mas madali yun? It increases your chances of success. How can we say that it is a proven system? Because the company has paid out over $2 billion in commissions over the past years. Hindi po pesos ha, billions of dollars. So we have already produced so many successful affiliates, not only in the Philippines but around the world. Yung ginawa po nila, kokopyahin na lang natin. Okay? And part of that system is our 4Life app. We don't even say work from home anymore. It's work from phone. Kasi kahit nasaan ka, pwede. You wanna find out who are the people in your organization? Kahit nasa Spain sila, nasa Korea sila, automatically, in 2 clicks, you can find out. You want to see the breakdown of your income? It's there. You want to call the people in your organization? In 2 clicks, you can contact them. So, and you want to share, promote, you want to have marketing materials to promote your business? It's all there. But not only that, hindi lang po yung mismong sistema, hindi lang po yung mismong operations ang na-perfect na po ng 4Life. But also, the compensation plan side, nasa amin din po. Nasa partner nyo rin, which is 4Life. We are the ones who provide the compensation for your team. Kasi, if you have a business and you have 2 employees, which is a bigger business, 2 employees or 20 employees? 20,000 employees. That's just how it is. Bakit ho ba mas maraming employees, mas successful yung business? It means that you need more people to run more aspects of the business. Yun lang naman ang talagang ibig. Kaya nga, people say, the large corporations say, we are 35,000 people strong. Right? But 35,000 people strong. Who pays the 35,000 people? It's the business owner. Dito po, you don't need to worry about that. Because you're only, di ba? You are only, minimal capital is what we're looking for. Here at 4Life, all you need to do is focus on starting to build your organization. Ano ho ba yung mga tao sa organisasyon na hinahanap natin? Meron ho dyan iba, talagang user lang. Okay yun. Yung iba ho, retailer, mahilig lang mag-buy and sell. Pero the people that will truly bring you the 6-figure income, 7-figure income are the business builders. How do we reward the users? Kung may mga customer ka, we have what we call the instant discount. On the 4th month, the more products they purchase, the bigger their discount on the products. If you are a user, that's always welcome. Meron din po kaming loyalty program. Kung regular na bumibili yung consumer mo, yung gumagamit ng produkto, every month, they can get free products amounting to 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. Pwede. Meron kang mga tao na mahilig mag-buy and sell, bumili, mag-rekomenda, mag-click the link, mag-TikTok. Hindi ko alam po ano yun. And then click the link, my shop, they can do that. Sell, buy, retailing. Pero, like, again, we just recently came from si Ma'am Let, kasama ko, mamaya after ng presentation, medyo amuyin nyo siya. Amoy Amerika pa siya eh. Hindi pa nga natatanggal yung jet lag niya eh. Diba? We went to Tennessee because we had over 60 people from the Philippines which we assisted to get 10-year multiple entry visas to attend the convention in Utah. And every time after the convention, the affiliate who started For Life Philippines would invite everyone to go to his home in Tennessee, wherein isang buong linggo po, more than 42 Filipinos kami doon. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, lahat ng pasyal, yung airport transfer, yung tinitirhan, lahat po sagot niya isang buong linggo. Bakit? I computed his income. Nakita ko si income niya sa isang report. Naka-US dollars. Tinype ko po sa bago kong iPhone. Ano na bang iPhone ngayon? Basta yung tatlo yung butas. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Bago yung iPhone, tinype ko. Para mag-convert into peso. Alam nyo kung ano lumabas? Error. Hindi kinaya ng iPhone. Because it's already in the billions of pesos. Ganun ko kalaki. You cannot earn that. You cannot earn that selling products. You cannot earn that finding customers. It is in the building of the organization and finding other business builders that where that happens. Kasi dito po sa generational bonus, doon po lumalaki, doon umaabot sa 6-figure income, 7-figure income, yung income ng mga affiliates natin. How does that work? When you are able to recommend the program to someone and he buys the product 100 life points or about 2 bottles every month, that every single one that you recommend the products to, hindi lang sa unang beses. Yung unang beses, 25%. Sa second month, 25 pa rin. Third month, 25. On the third month, 2%. Bakit 2%? Kasi, if you are able to train that person to recommend also, lahat ng marerekomendahan niya, 25% ka doon. And, kung yun naman nakapag-train din ho, at nakapag-recommend ng produkto, or nakapag-train ng business builders, every single person that purchases on your third level, 5%. So meaning, nirekomenda mo. Pero kung yan lang ho, hindi pa rin ho aabot doon sa error sa iPhone 15, 16 na ba? Hindi ko alam. Yung income. The reason why our affiliates are so successful is because once they qualify for Diamond, Presidential, and above, they have the ability to earn from the compensation plan because our compensation plan is infinity pass-through. Ano bang infinity pass-through? Yung in-invite hanggang sa pinakadulo, you earn either 12, 6, 3, 2% to the very last purchase in your organization. Isn't that great? Regardless kung nasa Spain siya, Korean, dahil nag-share na silang lahat, you will be earning here in the Philippines. In this illustration, 3 levels lang po yan. You have about 250 people. But this is not entirely accurate. Based on my experience, when I see the reports of our affiliates, I see reports wherein they have about 100, 120 people. They're already earning about 140,000 pesos. Pero let's be conservative. In this illustration, you recommended the program to 6 people. You're earning 153,000 because it's perfectly duplicated. Sabi nung may lumapit sa akin, Eileen, parang walang anim eh. Kasi yung anim is only for illustration. Kung gusto mo 12, pwede. Kung gusto mo 36, pwede. Pero kung kausap ko, wala daw siyang anim. Okay. Okay lang po yun. Walang anim. Ilan mo ba kaya? 3. Eh di kalahati, 70,000. Pwede. Eh sabi nung isa, walang 3 eh. Ewan ko, ang masama ugali niya, 2 lang ang kakilala. 2 lang talaga kaya eh. Okay. Then divided by 3. Kasi di ba? 2, 6, divided by... Hindi ko rin alam paano naging divided by 3. Basta 2 times 3 is 6. Kaya 1/3. So 50,000. Right? 2. Sabi nung isa, wala talagang 2. Isa lang. Pwede pa rin no. Yung 50 divided mo by 2. 25,000. Sa totoo lang mo, yung 25,000, kung mandirigma ka, kulang yun. Ano yung mandirigma? Yung madilim pa lang, 5 o'clock, naliligo ka na ng malamig na tubig para magising ka, kailangan mong mag-travel ng 2 oras papunta sa trabaho, tapos uuwi ka, madilim na ulit, maliligo ka ulit, malamig. Yung paliligo pala ng malamig, kulang na si sweldo yun eh. Ang hirap nun Di ba? At nakikipagsikuhan ka, nakikipag-away ka, mga pasok lang, pagdating mo sa office, puro away, kulang yung 25,000. Right? Pero kung 25,000 ang kinikita mo, wala ka namang ginawa, nagrekomenda ka lang sa isang tao, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit siya nagko-complain. Do you know why? In Manila, for you to earn a passive income, wala kang ginawa. Kumita ng 25,000, you need to own a condominium unit that is amounting to 8 to 10 million pesos. You need to invest 8 to 10 million pesos in a condominium unit to generate 25,000 rent a month. Eh dito, anong ginawa nyo? Nagrekomenda ka. Ilan pa yung nirekomenda mo? Isa. Right? So, that's the way our generational bonus works. A lot of people would ask, is it easy to build an organization? Is it easy to find business builders? Babalik ko sa inyo yung tanong. May mga kakilala po ba kayo? Gusto ho nilang kumita. Hindi ho dahil wala silang kita. Dahil gusto ho nilang magkaroon ng mas maraming oras sa pamilya nila. Malaki yung kita nila pero ubos yung buhay, life-consuming, not time-consuming. Ubos yung buhay nila kakatrabaho. Do you think if you are able to present a program to them wherein they can earn the same amount but also have time freedom, wouldn't they look into it? Meron din ho ba kayo makakilala masipag, matyaga, magaling, pero laging nangungutang? Meron? Parang hindi kayo sumagot, parang kayo yun. Hindi, meron talagang ganun. Maybe they are presented with a great opportunity and they apply themselves in that opportunity. That would allow them to achieve so much success. Hindi mo ba maganda yun? Right? Now, here at 4Life, we have ranks to let you know if you are getting closer to your financial goals. Yung mga builder elites, yan po yung mga nagsisimula pa lang. Sino yung mga builder elites natin? Dito wala. Kasi madami ho data nandito, nasa diamond elite na. We have, because we're an American company, in the US, we are required to have an income disclosure document. Ano yung income disclosure document? We are required to let people know how much people are earning in these ranks. And in that income disclosure document, people who are qualified as a diamond are earning an average of 20, 25 to 30,000 pesos. not bad, right? Pero, depende mo kasi yan sa laki ng organization. We have seen diamonds earning up to 60, 70, 80,000 pesos. So, sino dito yung mga diamond elites natin? Maybe you can raise your hand so we can recognize you. Palakpak. Okay, palakpakan naman nung natin sila. So, we also have presidential elites. Doon nung nagsisimula yung 6-figure income. Papataas ko sana yung kamay nila kasi hindi nyo sila makikita. Okay? We have presidential elites. That's where the 6-figure income or 100,000 a month income gets started. Okay? Every time they qualify at that rank. So, yesterday, we were doing a training and I was showing them a bonus, an actual bonus recap of an affiliate who was paid as a presidential for a particular month and made 400,000 pesos. Wow. Right? So, it varies depending on your organization. So, maybe we can stand up yung mga presidential elites po natin. Okay? Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Okay? And then, of course, we have bronzes. Mas mataas po yun sa presidentials. And we have silvers. Okay? So, Sir Arnold is a silver. And a 7-figure income a month. Anong ibig sabihin 7-figure income a month? Pwede po pag nag-qualify at that rank, umaabot na po ng 1 million, over 1 million. Ang income nila every month starts with the rank of gold. Memorize ko yun eh. Kahit wala yung slide, nandito yun. Okay? And of course, yung kanina hong binabanggit ko sa inyo, yung nag-invite ko sa amin doon sa Tennessee, they're already at the platinum elite level. And in addition to that, okay? In addition to that, not only does 4Life provide the compensation to your team, you don't need to compute it. Automatically, isipin mo kung bawat isang tao sa organization mo, mamumroblema ka kung paano mo babayaran. You don't need to do that. Your partner, which is 4Life, will do that for you. However, not only that, but we are the ones who also provide the incentives so that you can build your organization. Let's say you have a parlor at gusto mo, dumami yung nagpapamanicure sa'yo. Anong gagawin mo? Sasabihin mo dun sa manicurista, pag naka-11 ka na pedicure, I will give you an additional bonus. So, sino po ang mabibigay ng bonus? Ikaw bilang negosyante. Pero sa 4Life, hindi po. Yung kumpanya na rin ang magbibigay ng incentive. In fact, kaya ho ang dami na pumunta dun sa US kasi nag-provide po kami ng travel incentive. Okay? Ito nga po bilang general manager, ang reklamo ko sa mga affiliates namin. Ayaw na po nilang magtrabaho, gusto na lang po nilang mamasyal. Kakauwi pa lang, hindi pa nga sabi ng marketing, tinatawagan na, sabi ko, huwag niyo muna tawagan. Sabi niya, sa July na po to, hindi pa nga natatanggal yung jet lag, tinatawagan na para mag-apply ulit ng visa because this July, we are traveling to Japan, via Shanghai and Japan for 6 days. 6 days, 5 nights, all expense paid cruise. If you are going to provide an incentive for your team and tell them, if you achieve this, you can go on a cruise. Hindi mo ba gaganahan yung tao nyo? Definitely. So it's not only you, of course we want you to go with us, but we want you to use those things to further grow your business. So I'm sure a lot of people are asking, how will I get started? Paano ko ba magsisimula? In fact, yung registration po namin dito libre. Walang bayad. Alam niyo kung ano yung may bayad? Of course, yung produkto. Why is it that you need to purchase products to get your business started? Kahit yung pansiteria lang o paniderya yung sisimulan mong negosyo. Magsisimula ka ba ng paniderya na never mo natitikman yung pandesal? Of course, you have to know your product. We can explain it to you, but you need to try it for yourself for you to see if this is something that you believe in, if this is something that you can promote. Right? So, number 2, aminin, yung mga bisita po namin, aminin nyo, kayo po ang isa sa pinakamahirap na makonvince na tao. Pero kahit hindi nyo po sabihin sa amin, hindi ho ba what we are saying is making sense? At nakukonvince na namin kayo. Tignan nyo yung nag-imbitasan nyo. Diba? Anong ginagawa? Di ba walang ginagawa? But once you decide to get started, you will be joining their line of sponsorship. Kung ikaw nga napakahirap ma-convince, medyo napapaisip ka and you think that what we are saying is making sense. Pag ikaw din ang nag-imbita ng tao dyan, at umupurin yung inimbita mo, at ikaw ano nang gagawin mo? Kagaya nung nag-imbita sa'yo, wala rin ginagawa. Diba? Do you think if they hear exactly the same presentation that they will also think that it makes sense? So that's how you get, sa simula lang po yun, as you get started and you're trying to learn the business. Because For Life is together building people. Hindi nyo po ito kailangan gawin mag-isa. Kami po, yung mga magsasalita po pagkatapos ko, we are all, your line of sponsorship, they are all here to help you get acquainted with what you need to do in the system and how you can get started. Bakit ho, hindi nila interest na bumili ka lang ng product? Bakit ho? Kasi maliit lang naman yung, baliwala lang yun eh. What their interest is that for you to also earn an extraordinary income from For Life. Why? Kasi kagaya nung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, sa ano nakakompute yung commission? Based on percentage. Hindi naman ito tao eh. Di ba? Porsyento. So, kung kahit na 10% lang yan, 10% of 100 is? Goodness. Sinimplihan ko na. Kanina 15 yun eh. 10% of 100 is? 10. Right? It means kailangan kumita ka muna ng 100. Paano gusto lang kumita ng 10? Tama?
Yeah.
Pero kahit 100% ang payout ng commission, pero zero ka. 100% of zero is? Zero. So it is in their best interest for you to also learn how to do this business. It is in their best interest also for you to grow your organization. And that's why For Life is together building people. Hindi nyo po hindi nyo po kailangan gawin mag-isa. Kung ako nang di naman ho ang tatanungin nyo, pipili lang po tayo ng product. If you have the entrepreneurial spirit, kung negosyante ka talaga, ang suggestion ko po, you get started with the fast start packs. Bakit to? Parang ang dami, no? Daming products. Because if you compute individually, yung halaga ng produkto na yan, about 50,000 pesos. But because it is in a pack, it's about 37,000. So discounted na siya agad. But that is not what you need to look at. Because it is only fast start enrollments that because you got started with a fast start pack, you are automatically in a very special program that allows you to earn additional 2.3 million pesos in bonuses in the next 12 months. Kung hindi po fast start ang enrollment, hindi ka kasama doon sa programa niya. Pero you can still get started with the program. Hindi lang doon sa fast start. Pangalawa, kung negosyante ka, okay, nag-invite ka, I'm sure, ang tatanong po sa inyo nung nag-invite sa inyo, kung meron din pong gusto magsimula, ikaw, anong ginawa mo? Kung fast start ka, fast start din po ang i-recommenda mo sa kanila. Kasi, so, the duplication is faster. Right? Pero ito yung totoong dahilan. Kung 37,000, okay? Sabi niyo ba, malaki yun. Totoo, malaki yun kung ang tingin natin gastos. Pero 37,000, maghanap po tayo ng negosyo na pwede kang magsimula at 37,000 that can take you to 10, 20, 30 million pesos, parang mahihirapan na po tayo sa ngayong panahon. Hindi ho kapital yung 37,000. That is only market research. Kung magne-negosyo ka, permit pa lang yan, kulang. kulang na. Tama? Okay? So having said that, here at For Life, why would you get started with For Life? A lot of people, let's be honest, are looking for financial independence. Ano ba yung financial independence? The freedom to do what you want because yun ang pinakatamang desisyon. Yun ang financial independence. Example, sino po ang gusto pumunta ng Amerika libre? Sino gusto may bayad? Libre, lahat. Pag may bayad, di ba? Maganda naman yun. It's a great experience. But we are not financially independent to say, I want to do that, let's go today. Right? Nakakatawa po yan kung lakwat siya ang pinag-uusapan natin. Pero bakit yung paminsan, pag merong may sakit, sabi mo, pakicheck nga, tignan mo kung humihinga pa. Kasi kung lumalala na, kailangan na natin dalhin sa ospital. Bakit mo pa hinihintay lumala at mag-agaw buhay bago mo dalhin sa ospital? Bakit? Hindi mo ba dapat kung nakita mo nahirapan na, dalhin na agad? Natatakot tayong dalhin sila sa ospital kasi natatakot tayo sa... But every time we do that, we are risking the lives of the people that we love and choosing money over people, which is not right. It shows that we are not financially independent. Marami din po sa atin, maraming pera. Marami silang pera. Pero, nung pandemic, dapat po natutunan na natin na hindi po lahat ng bagay sa mundo puro pera. May mga bagay na mas importante kaysa sa pera, kagaya ho ng oras natin sa mga tao na mahal natin. But if we are using up all our time to make money, ano pa yung natitira para dun sa pinagagawa natin? The people that we are generating this income for. Right? Hindi, di ba? Sabi, tingnan mo, ang laki ng kinikita mo, pero sa yung mga bata, sino yung may mga maliliit na anak? Wala na, malaki na lahat ng anak mo. Di ba yung mga bata, pag aalis ka, pupunta ka ng trabaho, umiyak. Mommy, don't go to work. Tapos inis na inis ka, this is for you, I have to go to work. Your milk, sinumbata mo na agad, 3 years old pa lang ako yun. Na 3 years old, sinusumbatan. Para sa'yo to, kasi kailangan ang gasos-gasos mo. Wag po kayong mag-alala. Nainis ka, di ba? Wag po kayong mag-alala. Bilang lang po kayo ng mga ilang taon, ikaw naman ang iiyak. Kasi kahit gusto mo silang isama, ayaw na nilang sumama. Lumipas na yung panahon. Kahit sobrang dami mong pera, hindi mo na sila, pag lumaki na yan, hindi mo na yan mapapaliit ulit. Tama? There are certain things in life that are more important than money. And all those things that I'm talking about requires your time. Right? And of course, because this is a business, negosyo po ito. Let's say you are very good at what you do. You become the vice president of your company. The moment you retire, pwede mo ba sabihin, yung anak ko na lang yung vice president? Pwede ba yun? Pero kung negosyo yan, nag-retire ka, ayaw mo na. Pwede mo ba sabihin, anak, ikaw na lang magpatakbo ng negosyo? Pwede ba yun? Definitely. And that's happened here at For Life very, many times. We have affiliates earning in the millions of pesos every month. Because of age, they passed away. Wala pa pong 30 days na pumunta na sa heaven, kinuna siya ni Lord, mabait kasi. Wala pang 30 days, the commission in the business is transferred to the family. And the family continues to earn the income. Try niyo po to. Pag may property ka at nag-expire yung may-ari, pinaghirapan na nga buong lifetime, pinag-ipunan nung namatay, pahihirapan ka pa ng gobyerno para makuha. Right? Dito hindi. What yung pinagtatrabahuhan natin, hindi lang ho tayo in this lifetime makikinabang, pwede ho yung susunod na generation, which makes it worth it. And here at For Life, you will not be successful unless you are able to help others as well. So, we would like, at this point, we'd like to call on some of our affiliates na talaga namang napakarami na rin natulungan because they were able to expand their business in so many different areas around the Philippines. So our first speaker is someone who is from the academe. She spent more than 20 years in the academe, but now she's retired and she is doing 4Life full-time. So let's put our hands together for Miss Let de Guzman.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Ellen for amazing presentation. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes.
Oh, so, welcome dito sa 4Life. So, sa mga hindi nakakakilala po sa akin, ako po si Let de Guzman from Baguio City at dating empleyado for the last 36 years. Nakilala ko ang 4Life sa isang kasama sa university at nung nakita ko ito, ginawa ko yung negosyo. So, doing it for the last 5 years, our group landed in the top 35. And 4 years in the top 35, I'm so happy to tell you na ako po'y nandun na sa top 12. So, pwede pala na pag ginawa mo siya, makakarating ka rin na kasi pangarap ko lang yan dati eh. So, katulad ng sabi ni Ma'am Eileen kanina, nanggaling kami sa Amerika, actually kakarating pa lang namin. At yun nga, ang sabi niya kararating ko pa lang, tinawagan na naman ako ng corporate, ng marketing. Ang sabi i-prepare ko na yung mga requirements ko for the Great Escape kasi aalis kami by July sa Shanghai at Japan. Diba? Grabe, hindi ko pa nababawi yung mga tulog ko dun sa Amerika. Ayan na pabiyahe na naman kami by July at hindi lang ako, kasama ko pa yung isang anak ko. Sino ang may gusto ng ganon?
Yes.
O, diba? So, nakakatuwa talaga. Alam nyo ba na for the last 8 years na ginawa ko ito, 4Life has given me more than 10 million in income. Sino may gusto nun? O, kapag gawa nyo, gusto nyo yun, let's all be together, gawin natin ito. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Let. Okay, kung next speaker naman natin, also were managers in their previous profession. Actually, may MBA pa si Sir. But now they are also doing 4Life full-time. Let's call on Sir Vic Alviar and Ma'am Jean Perez.
Hello po, good afternoon. I'm Jean. I'm 57 na, but I feel 32. Before joining 4Life, we were, like Ma'am Eileen has said, we were employees before. May mga negosyo din, pero laging kulang para sa mga bata. We have 5 children, and lahat sila nag-aaral. So when we found 4Life, it has helped us reach our goal for them, especially sa mga pangangailangan nila, mga tuition, ganyan. So, even Vic used to be an employee also, pero bitter ako sa kanya, bitter half. Ngayon, better half na.
Alam niyo, I thought being a manager, tapos having a high degree, could solve the problems of a family. Yung pala, it was still a struggle. Yun, mabuti na nga nang i-share sa amin itong 4Life. And one of the good things is yung pinapangarap ng isang ama na i-provide sa mga bata. Ang 4Life po nag-provide yung mga sasakyan na nabili namin. Dati-dati tinutulak lang. Ngayon, I think we have 4 cars na nabili. And I'm planning again to buy a van. Para, kasi yung grupo namin kapag pupunta ng Manila, hirap na hirap maghanap ng sasakyan, at least may provide. Yan. And of course, other than that is yung house namin during the pandemic hindi nakakalabas, na ipagawa na ho namin apartment. So, yun po yung may reward. But, yung total earnings po na naibigay ng 4Life sa amin is about 23 million. Okay. We want that income also to be yours. Kaya rin. But the best part of doing 4Life is also giving back to people. So, mabuti na lang, hindi rin kami nag-quit dito.
So, we invite you all to do this for life business kasi nasubukan na namin na mag-empleyado, magnegosyo, kung ano-ano na lang pinapasok namin. Nagtinda pa kami ng kabaong, buy one, take one, ayaw nila. So anyway, this company has given us so much more than they have asked for. So, alam nyo, gawin na lang po natin ito.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Vic and Ma'am Jean. Our next sharer is actually he's an accountant by profession, and his wife was into marketing, but they were also entrepreneurs before they got started with For Life. So we'll let them share their story. So let's all welcome Ma'am Jo and Sir Arnold Alberto.
Hello everyone. Okay, pwede na palakpakan natin ang ating general manager. Okay. So anyway, okay. So again, tama ko si Ma'am Eileen, ano. Actually 11 years na ako kami sa For Life, and by profession I'm an accountant. And alam mo, we used to think and follow our parents' advice nung time na bata tayo. Na sinasabi sa atin, anak, mag-aral ka para matapos mag-aral, maghanap na magandang trabaho. So ano mo, sa totoo lang, no, I realized lately na hindi guarantee na may profession ka, aasenso buhay. Tama? Hindi guarantee na may trabaho ka, aasenso buhay. Tama? So yan, sabi sa akin ng father ko, na after mag-aral, magnegosyo ka. Kaya I entered a lot of traditional businesses. Una kong pinasok, construction business. Yun yung negosyo ng father ko. For 15 years, na-expose ako sa kabataan na talaga nakita ko, ganun pala talaga. Maraming challenges sa business. Tama? Aside from that, pumasok pa ako sa water refilling station. Pumasok ako kahit salon. Kahit di ako marunong magkupit ng buhok, sige, go. Tama? Alam mo, even distribution ng coffee, pinasok na rin namin. Lahat ng business namin, actually sa totoo lang, malakas. Malakas makapangit. Sa stress. Kung negosyante ka, sigurado naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Tama, mali? Tama. Kasi alam mo, ang daming factors eh. Number one, manpower. Pangalawa, yung supplies. Pangatlo, pagtaas ng gasolina, affected lahat. Tama. Pang-apat, dollar to peso. Ang daming mga dapat i-consider. Bukod pa yung calamity. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, mahirap magnegosyo. Kaya nga sabi ko, ang dami natin napasok na negosyo, ang dami ko na naipon. Sakit sa binte, sakit sa puso, high blood, lahat naipon ko na eh. So sabi ko sa ko, itutuloy pa namin to, baka hindi na kami tumagal. Kaya usap kami mag-asawa, ano ba ang negosyo ang pwede natin pasukin? And finally, nakita namin yung For Life. This is our timeline. Nag-start kami 2013 sa For Life. And good. This is the perfect business. Whether we like it or not, nagbabago na talaga ang lahat ng bagay, even pag ninegosyo. We need to understand na ang ganda nung pinakita kanina. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Pinasok namin, hindi ko auto linya. Ang linya ko po, accounting eh. Inaral ko ang accounting para maging accountant. Ay, pero hindi eh. Yung mga kamag-anak ko, kaibigan ko, accountant din naman eh. Pero hanggang ngayon, nagko-commute eh. Tama? Nung pinasok ko to, 2013, di ko rin alam. Inaaral ko lang din po. Ito na po yung timeline. Yun. Naging top 3 ng For Life Philippines. And ang dami na pong napuntahan, ang dami ng kamukha na sinabi ni Ma'am Let. Totoo. Ang dami nang naibigay. And isa sa naibigay, after 3 years doing this business, tumayo to. May kotse pa sa loob, may kotse sa labas, and nabili na rin mo namin yung property sa tapat. Because of For Life. Walang loan. Now, tell me, maganda For Life?
Yes.
Gusto mo lang kung maging simple buhay? Ikaw, gusto mo ba simple buhay?
Yes.
Please define simple buhay. Simple buhay for me, nagagawa ko gusto kong gawin, nabibili ko gusto kong bilhin, nakakain ko gusto kong kainin, at gumigising ako pagtapos nga ako matulog. Simple. Kasi the moment na problema mo ang pera, hindi yan simple. It's complicated. Tama, mali? Masarap pumunta sa mall, mag-fit ng damit, nang hindi mo tinitingnan yung tag price. Pero pag nag-fit ka, ang sexy mo, lumabas yung tag price, 10,000, sigurado makati yung kilikili. Agree? Gusto mo ba yun? Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, gusto mo ba yun? Again, guys, ito lang sa akin. Do it for life. For 11 years and 2 weeks. Ito na po yung binigay sa akin. Pwede na. Para mas maniwala, sir, malinaw ang mata. Nababasa. Magkano po yung lifetime earnings? Ano sir? Lakihan natin para mas maliwanag. Bukayin natin yung cellphone. Ayan sir. Nababasa. Bukayin pa natin. Ayan. Pareho bukasan. Pareho siya. Pareho. Magkano sir? 32 million. Pwede na. Cellphone pa lang. Nabubuka. Pwede kitang gulong. Pwede mo lagyan ng gulong para sa sakyan. Kasi halaga siya ng sasakyan. Isabay mo pa yung sapatos. Lagyan mo ng gulong. Sasakyan na rin. Guys, hindi ko po pinigayabang to. My point is, nabibili yung gustong bilhin. Nakuha niyo po yung point ko. Ang good news, mga kaibigan, this coming July, kasama ko si Ma'am Let. Sa Shanghai, papuntang Japan. Now tell me, maganda ba for life? Tama po ba yung decision na ginawa namin?
Yes.
Ngayon, ganito lang point ko kayo, guys. Kung ano man daw yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, yun ay galing sa mga decision mo noon. Kung may pera ka ngayon, galing yan sa mga naging decision mo noon. Kung wala kang pera ngayon, galing din yan sa mga decision mo noon. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mong may mabago sa buhay mo, for the next 5 to 10 years from now, kailangan mo na magdesisyon. Ano ang gagawin mo? Arnold, gusto ko mag for life. Kailan? Bukas? Next week? O nauna? Kung ano man ang decision mo ngayon, yan ang makapagbabago ng buhay mo for the next 5 to 10 years. With that, thank you very much po. This is
And the last sharer for tonight is someone who was previously, he was a call center agent. Ngayon ho, he's also doing for life full time. Let's all please welcome our gold, Mr. Mikael Janjenko.
Hello, everyone. Can I see the hands of the first-timers? Palakpakan natin sila. Our first-time welcome. So yes, I worked sa call center before. Anong time na yon, okay naman ang trabaho, kaso ang problema lang, laging walang time. Yes? Oo, di ba? So laging walang time, tapos laging puyat. So I was planning to go abroad kasi yung uncle ko is a vice president sa QP, Qatar Petroleum. And my mom sa US, sa Silicon Valley, as a supervisor. So yun yung plano ko. Paano ko napunta rito? Kulit kasi yung tatay ko. Sabi niya, silipin mo raw yung for life. Sabi niya, silipin mo. Maganda. Negative. Skeptical, di ba? Kasi abroad nga nagbago when I met this 90-year-old woman. Ngayon, 90 na siya. Pero during that time, she was only 75. Bata pa, no? 75 pa lang siya noon. 100,000 in 3 months. Wow. 100,000 monthly income in 90 days. Wow. Lalo akong ginana, nung tanongin ko, paano mo ginawa? Sabi sa akin, malay ko. Hindi siya marunong. Sabi ko, if she can do it, I can do it. Yes?
Yes.
So, kayo po, papatalo kayo sa 75. Mahiya ka naman. So, I decided, I forgot going abroad, and then I made a decision, and before the pandemic, I bought my 4th house. 4th. Hindi na kita ng bakit 4. So, good joke. And during the pandemic, nagpatayo ko ng research sa Rizal, sa Talay Rizal. May malaking maliit na kubo, may basketball court, may parking, may showers para sa mga mountaineers. Naging problema ko po dito parking. Kasi dalawang SUV, dalawang sedan, yung isang sedan, luxury car pa, di ba? So, tapos nung pandemic, naka-acquire ng pang-5. This year, kumuha ko pang-6, I call him number 6. So, ano magandang problema? Pamasahe o parking?
Parking.
Di ba ikaw mag-decide yan eh? And nagbabala ka mag-abroad before, ngayon, nag-bakasyon na lang sa abroad. No? Not to work, but to go on vacation. 9 times na po ako nakapag-US. 9 times. Qualified for Brazil, New Zealand, Hawaii, other Asian countries, all expense paid, first class. And ang maganda yung personality development. Diba? Dati mahihain ako. Ngayon walang yan. Kasi pag kumapal na pala yung bulsa, kumakapal na rin yung mukha. Yes, di ba? And also, I shared the stage with Magic Johnson when I spoke in Atlanta, Georgia in front of 10,000 people from 90 countries.
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! Di ba? And working from phone. Tama si Ma'am Aileen. You just work from phone. Not from home na. From phone. Di ba? Okay na ba yung 100 million?
Wow.
Ilan? Last year yan eh. This year, nasa 107 na siya. 107. Nadagdagan na ng 4 million. No? Pwede na, no? Kasi malaman sikreto.
Yes.
Wanna know the secret?
Yes.
Alam nyo, siopaw lang yan eh. No, siopaw. General manager showed you the opportunity. Yes? He showed you the opportunity. Pau na. Ano yung pau? P. Positive. Meron ka na nakita negative yung mama.
Wala.
Wala naman negatibong masenso. Di ba? Kaya yung guest mo, tsaka kung ikaw guest dito, pwede bang kalabitin mo yung katabi mo? Kalabitin mo. Sabihin mo, ganyan ka. Sabihin mo, ganyan ka. Ganyan ka. Hindi ka kasenso kung negative ka. Yes? Sama si AA eh. Action. Kasi pareho lang yun. Yung next week mo pa ito gagawin sa gagawin mo ngayon, pareho lang. Nag-aaksaya ka lang ng oras. Matagal mo na itong inaantay. Di ba? Ba't di mo pa gawin? Act now. And O is ownership. Nakakita ka na ba ng negosyante, hindi niya alam yung negosyo? Wala namang ganun eh. Di ba? So aralin mo siyang mabuti. Di ba? You have to be an expert. Although nandito kami to guide you, kailangan aralin mo siya. And kung may show pa mo ka, yung nangyari sa amin, mangyayari din po sa inyo.
Sir Jan. So, thank you very much for investing about an hour of your time to learn a little bit more about 4Life. So, please go back to the people who invited you and ask them as many questions as you can regarding the 4Life program. Meron po kami konting merienda na pinrepare for everyone. And of course, our experience booths for